Yes, please.
Assalamu alaikum, brother. My question is from Surah 54 and Ayah 17 about the. We have made the Al-Quran easy for remembrance, but sometimes people says like Quran is very hard to understand, like we need a teacher.
Yes.
But Allah says it is easy. So is it, easy for memorizing or understanding?
Both. You see, understanding Sanukriuka Fala Tansa. Sanukriuka Fala Tansa. There is Allah says, we will read it to you, you will not forget.
Okay.
So, say when Allah says easy, is for those who want to have remembrance, who want to remember,
Okay.
who wants to remember. So, for them it's easy and with understanding. Generally, my so-called, we are brothers, so when one misses, the other reminds it. You know, why, how? Because they are remembering both ayat and understanding, not only ayat. Ayat with understanding, because Hafiz is there, but
Okay.
he have no understanding. Easy for that you can remember. But the point is with understanding is more important. That will guide you. Remember with guidance. It should be remembered with understanding.
So zikr is
Remembrance.
remembrance. Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay.